Visiting one of our showrooms is a great way to look at all of the window covering styles available and see them in a hanging opening where you can actually operate the shade. When somebody comes out to your house, by and large, we bring a book with fabric samples in it that's going to have a very hard time really picturing and envisioning what that looks like in your particular window opening. Coming into one of the showrooms, we have all of the window coverings we feature displayed in all of the different lift systems, be it cordless, motorized, retractable cords, cord loops, so that you can use and operate those shades so that you can envision using them in your lifestyle the way that you would use them in their home. It is not common for window treatment companies to have a showroom, and having that showroom and having somewhere to stop in, see the colors, see the samples, see the operable shades can be essential to making a decision that could be a costly decision if you choose the wrong one. Another reason to choose a business like ours that has a showroom is something should go wrong with your window covering over time. We've been in business now 30 years, and we have a number of clients that bring their broken window coverings back to us to fix. And because of our showroom locations, they always know where to find us in the city. It's really popular anymore to purchase products online because of how easy it is. You can just select them from a number of things. You can put them in your cart, you can check out and be on your way, and just a few days or weeks later it can be at your doorstep. I purchase a lot of things online, and I prefer to purchase a lot of things online, but window coverings are a little bit different. We prefer the shop at home experience, whereas one of our designers comes out to your home, or the showroom experience where you can come in the showroom and actually see the window coverings. They are all custom made to fit your window exactly. So working with an expert to determine what the right window covering is, how it fits your window, and how it's going to work best with your lifestyle is an experience that you can't necessarily find online. One of our designers can come out to the home. We take all of the measurements that you would have to take yourself ordinarily to purchase online, and we know how those window coverings fit in the window and how they finish in the window. That gives you the best success and the best treatment when it comes to installation. Also, when you purchase online, you may or may not have somebody install those, but more than likely you're going to install them yourself. Some of these can be very simple and some of them can be very complicated, and the adjustment process to make sure that they operate correctly really should be done by a trained professional that has experience in the business. If you purchase through the shop at home process with our company, or you purchase at one of our showrooms, we have professional installers that come out, deliver the product, install them in your windows, and then adjust them to make sure that they're doing everything that we promised they would do when you decided to purchase them.